Ministry of Home Affairs ki mityeng makha da Hayeng leibak asigi Civil Defense District chani nifumari da Pangthokkadouriba Civil Defense Exercise Amadi Rehearsal adu Imphal gi Oinasu Johnstone School BT Park State Museum Amadi Manipur Fire Service Building da Pangthoklagani hairi hiramasi ki matang da DIPR gi Assistant Publicity Officer Press and Rosana Thokpa Cherola mana hai Hayeng numit yungba matung pung ahum tabada mafam singa sida pre-drill briefing tawraba matung da numidang wairam pung marida mock drill adu pangthokani tungda Imphal West District ki DC office ta mock drill adu ga mari lainana media briefing amasu pangthokani hairi nakalamarom da Bishnupur District ki Oinasu district asigi tongan ba mafam singda mock drill asi pangthokani hairi Bishnupur District ki DC Laurembam Bikram nathokpa order mana hai air road School damage with casualties haibe hiramda hayeng numidang wairam pung mari dagi pangthokadaba mock drill adugi sarukama oina Bishnupur District ke Fire Service amasung MS Judicial Bishnupur da incoming air road ke mock drill pangthokani maduda Bishnupur District ke Fire Service da activation of sirens amadi MS Judicial Bishnupur da blackout measures ki mock drill pangthokani amaramda JEO Bishnupur da fire in school building amadi home guard IRCS Abda Mitra volunteer singna search and rescue gi mock drill pangthokani masigi matakta home guard IRCS Abda Mitra volunteer singna casualty evacuation from damaged building gi mock drill chathagani CMO Bishnupur da temporary hospital setting of kiso mock drill pangthokani hairi nakalamarom da Ningthokong Higher Secondary School da mahairoi volunteer micham singi training mock bomb fire fighting search and rescue operation vital installation camouflaging bunker temporary hospital warning siren chingbagi mock drill tawgani Bishnupur District ki oina Pangthokkadouriba mock drill asida tongan ba thodang pugadaba sing adugi manungda Bishnupur District ki DC na district controller oina mock drill asigi overall in charge oigani Police Department na control room set up tawba stun bomb camouflaging of vital installation amadi area rescue tawbagi thodang logani Civil Defense Aizina Mahairoi volunteer amasung Micham Singh training tauba bunker saba amade siren warning ki thodang logani fire department na fire fighting amade mock fire drill sinba ki thodang logani IG IRCS amade Abda Mitrana search and rescue operation ki thodang logani Health Department na temporary mobile hospital set up tauba ambulance amade paramedical staff singe thodang logani MS Judicial na blackout measure ki thodang logani JDO Bishnupur na class 12 ki mahairoi sing mock drill da training oina saru yahan bagi thodang logani aduga DIO IPR Bishnupur na mock drill sing asi coverage taubaga loinana media amade social media da yauhan bagi thodang logani haina so serola sina makha tari